All right, all right, all right. Our main event of the evening, the final fight of the night. Oh, and it's got some serious bad blood in it.
Tension is palpable.
Anurag Singh from Uttarakhand taking on Johnny, the OG gangster. Well, not the OG, that's a redundant thing, the original gangster, Nongrum.
It's not a double negative though, so it's fine.
Oh, the crowd is losing its mind right now. Here we go. Johnny looking to land that right hand. Anurag with a nice leg kick.
With a couple of leg kicks. Oh,
those are nasty shots.
yeah, a nice. I mean, it might be.
I can't even hear myself, it's so loud. Johnny, I think, has caught him with the right hand.
Yeah, he caught him with the right hand and the left.
And the left as well, yeah.
So Johnny should just separate. He's clearly got it on hands.
Yep.
Some shoulder shots in there.
Oh, the crowd is going wild here.
Yeah, and the pressure is on Anurag. But he can hear them.
I can barely hear myself. Like,
another shoulder shot.
Yeah.
Another shoulder shot. Johnny looks like he's having a bit of fun in there.
referee calling for action from Johnny.
I mean, that counts, kind of. No, but referee Andrew is probably going to separate them, it looks like.
Yep, he's going to separate them ASAP.
And the center of the cage is probably decent enough for
Anurag
Johnny.
seems a little rocked though.
Yeah, and Johnny is stalking him.
Yeah, he's stalking him. That right hand is coming.
Jab.
Yeah.
Nice jab.
That right hand is coming.
Anurag winging shots. I think that. Oh!
Nice spinning back kick.
Nice uppercut, nice left hook.
I'm surprised Anurag is not shooting actually at John.
I mean, maybe he wants to prove a point.
But that's such a bad idea against someone like Johnny.
Yeah,
like,
he has crazy power.
he's got just like insane power. He just needs to land once.
Yeah.
That was
now he has changed.
Anurag's bleeding from the side of his head. On the left side, bit of a cut.
I think he caught a right hook earlier.
Yeah, I think he caught a right hook there.
Oh, nice. Oh, that hurt.
He's a little bit
He's
wobbled.
a bit rocked.
Yeah.
A nice big jab. He hurt him again. Big uppercuts. Big left hook. Big right hand. And another big right hand over that.
Both guys landing.
Yeah.
But Johnny's got a chin on him.
Better.
Yep, he's got a chin on him.
And he's getting the better of him.
He's a better striker, clearly.
Yeah,
Both guys taking shots.
But
Johnny
should
as well.
be a bit careful.
Yeah.
Don't get overzealous. Oh, there was a big right hand again. Big.
Nice knee by Johnny.
Nice knee to the body. I want Johnny to come over the top with the right hand here.
Yeah. Separate and throw a right hand.
There was a nice sneaky little uppercut in there. That's how.
Oh, Anurag going for it now.
Yeah, he has a chin, man.
He has
Anurag
a chin.
has a
He's
chin,
a
dude.
big guy. He can take a shot. Anurag should be looking to take Johnny down right now. Maybe grind him out for all of the first round.
Yes, but Johnny has a 2-on-1 on his left hand. I mean, he's kind of safe from single.
That's what's preventing him from clasping his hands together. Good work by Johnny. He's clearly worked a little bit on his takedown defense, huh?
Although he doesn't believe in jiu-jitsu.
Well, jiu-jitsu believes in him.
Ref and Andrew looking closely
Yep.
at the situation because it looks like
He might separate them in a little
Yeah,
bit. But Anurag is still trying to create positional scrambles.
I mean, as long as he's active, he gets it.
As long as he's active, he's going to be able to stay in this position.
I think he doesn't want to get into a striking exchange anymore with Johnny.
No.
He felt those punches for sure.
Yeah. But this kid's he's a gamer as well, man.
Yeah,
he's a true,
tough.
yeah.
Like the kind of shots he took have put down quite a lot of people.
Yeah.
But again, he wants to exchange in that. I would jab and shoot.
He should not be, he should not be exchanging punches with Johnny.
Yeah.
Again, maybe he has a point to prove. Oh, this is Anurag's world now.
Yeah. I mean, I think Johnny got ate a leg kick and then
he made a big mistake.
but then he's up against the cage. He's okay as of now. He has an underhook on the inside.
This is a brawl, man, a proper brawl.
Yeah, but then this drawn-out kind of grappling match will favor Anurag.
Yeah, the grappling match will definitely favor. The longer it goes,
Especially
it favors
a striker
Anurag more.
versus a grappler.
Yeah.
Like if you understand grappling cardio, I mean, for years, grappling cardio is different from striking
Yeah,
cardio.
it's completely different
It's a
from
different
striking
feel.
cardio. Yep.
Yeah, the round's about to end though.
Yep. The crowd is going wild, man.
But it looks like a clear first round victory for Johnny.
Yep, it's a clear first round for Johnny. All right, round 2, Johnny Nongram taking on Anurag Singh. Johnny stalking Anurag here.
Anurag's corner calling for a head kick.
Yeah.
But yeah, Johnny, I think he's having a bit of fun in there. He's
Yeah.
not traditionally someone who throws kicks as often.
It's his final fight. He just wants to go out with a bang, you know.
I mean, nice cross block on
But
the
as I
kick.
said, it's not an easy fight for Johnny as well. Anurag is doing
Yeah.
a great job.
Yeah,
like-
he's a 6-time national
Yeah,
champion.
yeah.
He's no
chump. Yeah, he's no chump. Yeah. Nice jab by Johnny Nongram. Beautiful.
Oh! Oh!
Nasty right hand by Johnny.
I think Johnny should just separate and throw.
Yeah, he should
Throw.
just separate, make him stand up and throw.
That was almost enough. I mean, he could have finished him.
This is what's going to happen here. Is he's going to allow Anurag to catch a breath.
I think he wants to finish
Yeah.
by choke.
Finish him by choke from here, though.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, he could have just kept his distance at
Yeah.
few
I'm assuming
shots.
if he knew
Oh,
what...
he's still rocked.
Oh,
He's
yeah,
still
he can
rocked.
still...
Oh!
No!
Big knee. Big knee. And a few uppercuts to boot. And a left.
Nasty
I
shots by
think
Johnny.
this fight is
He's
about
just
to be
letting
finished.
go.
He's landing a few elbows and punches. This is done.
Brutal,
my
this
friend.
is done. This is done.
This is done. So, Anurag is game though.
He's game
My
as
God.
hell.
But he isn't out yet.
But he's taking so much punishment.
Yeah, almost unnecessary at this
Yeah.
point.
Again, over the top. Beautiful work by Johnny.
It looks like Andrew is going to stop this fight.
Yep.
And the fight's done.
Stops it.
That was crazy.
Incredible win. Can you hear the crowd here? People are going crazy.
That was a hell of a way to finish out a career. Don't you
Seriously.
think?
Yep, a hell of a way to finish off a career.
But big props to Anurag. He took it.
He took it. And how? Like,
Yeah, man.
I can barely hear myself right now. The crowd is so loud.
Yeah, the crowd is elated. One of our original gangsters from town singing his last swan song.
It was a tough battle. But Johnny Nongram comes out on top.
Yeah, he had a couple of issues initially, but then he found that range. He took that dirty boxing and shoved it.
Nasty work by Johnny. Finished it.
Insane nights of fights. We actually had quite a lot of finishes. I mean, which is crazy.
Yep.
Johnny, the original gangster, Nongram.
What a crazy night it's been here at the Shillong Cage Fighting Championships. It's intense, insane. I mean, what can be said that hasn't been said before about Johnny Nongram?
Kalong kumafia mundur. The last fighter rather, who Anurag, a round of applause please for this fighter. He took those hits. It was like a truck was running through him and he stood there and he took it in and took it in. Shows the heart of a fighter in the ring. Sikintian Argentine but Johnny. Hadian ka fight man ta. Kumbing layos ngo. Hato ka di siya pa kani ka khado ka jiya khun ka jum ka bajong fi.
Oh, kada ka ba khado. Namar lasis pa sin ki fights. But ka ba banda sin kada ka ba. Sispa ti ka record junga kalalong 88 wins with 12 losses. So total 100. Ti wasu aim ni bakhalo nga try di ba ningkong ba rich shispa. But nga ko apat man pa ga ji khumle phi baro dalu ka ben sim opta na nga nakaliang baro ki fighters ki baya compete ben ne kane ga ji 1 PM ngani tu lada wan sa ukono McGregor nga tagin perlebet lada ya teli kumli bat kata ka nuksa kasuan mantan him de bang apalan ban kran kumta bang i yakini kinong ilam jong ka KSU kibade using belum jong ka ri ba ka jat bile jongi te kumle shbu ni phiru kinong ilam start jongi jong ka KSU kumle shbu
Johnny, mentaba filade announce by Phenom Don Show aga fight game. Hato, nang ni sa kamat, kaya ka involvement jong pi haka game but kumno pil na abanyarap kidang bon ki khana samla ki bagi yo iman na ki blaya khun hang ni ki khana samla contention rang nang ni na pori lom jongi. Kumi ki to ki khana kaya ka message ka jong pi kwa banong kumno.
Hot nganong compete you kumu fighter ba? Larayo para teman dengan ya Pak tu. Tamato. Ngalong kumu trainer ni coach. Ni kumu woi nak pedang ki organizer jong kani ka SCFC. Kabala penkib ha yagi ki MMA fighters hanya po jela. But ngani tu ipi benta. Ba bunsit hi ngala temu. Ba hakano ka po bangayo lat bat panpau ka teng jungi ngan panpau bet bat ita ide iba Isaiah Karma Phalang iba la pan khim yang aku mutau fighter manchuang ada boxer hadin katoka accident al haban chong thanyo hadin san senam iba sia om wa i penbor hada isu khro ta jungi ngaru ngop ka ngop Bat ngadap sispa mental si.
Saksisin pat, Johnny Norum, Soba please. A legend in the making. He's had his 100th bout today and ended off his fighting career with a win. Dakajing job. Kumloy si niya pi Johnny Norum. Blame doon kalpat pi.
Saya mental si ngaru ngan bu no igini ki gloves. Bat so bundut hiru ba. Kumo ang daktin parang who am I without this? Tamato. Nani nang ning along kumu coach, trainer, ni uway organizer.
A symbolic movement as Johnny removes his gloves. Come on, Shillong! One loud scream! I need you guys to freaking scream for this one! For Johnny Norum, for the sport, for all the guys who are involved in this event.
Dia menta. Maju berang! Maju berang! Maju berang! Islam! Islam! Islam!
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, until next time, God bless, drive safe, good night.